Thank you everyone for joining us today. My name is Matthew Amato with IBS Electronics. I am the Global Marketing and Public Relations Manager, and I'm here today with Aldo Vasquez, the Global Product Manager for IBS Electronics. And we're here to bring the webinar, Discover Data-Driven Distribution, to help you revolutionize your supply chains through the power of market intelligence. We're really excited to speak with all of you today and share what some of the latest, innovations are at IBS Electronics. So up next, I'd like to talk about our story. So we were founded as International Bobbin Systems and evolved to support procurement and engineering, solve and improve manufacturing supply chain. We were founded back in 1980 by Bob Tavy. He is the president and founder, and he was a power supply engineer that wanted to help manufacturers in need of innovative sourcing solutions. To talk a little bit more about who we are, we're a global distributor. We were established in 1980 in Santa Ana, California, and we're among the top 50 distributors ranked by Supply Chain Connect. As a distributor, we're aiming to lead through innovation to help customers throughout the world, whether you're in engineering, procurement, to discover data-driven distribution with IBS Electronics. We've invested in a new digital platform with our new website that helps our customers to really elevate their experience while working with us. The next thing that we're really excited to talk about is through the power of, innovation, as well as the mastermind teams that we have here, and specifically our team, Aldo, who manages our global product team, has really helped us to develop a great infrastructure for our customers on the front end of our website. But now we also have a lot of capabilities in terms of back-end support, data, as well as information regarding products, market information, and all of this is due to the evolution of our tech stack. So let's talk a little bit more about our website and what we can do to help all the engineers and procurements, whether you're on a team or an individual, with some of the market intelligence or data to assist them with data-driven distribution. So now imagine, what can we do if we, add the power of AI to this? So we have all this data and technology, right? We have all this information related to our products, market conditions. Now realizing the power of AI is enabling us to assist our customers with enhancing their capabilities and accelerating their growth to reach their objectives. We would like to get into what market intelligence is at IBS Electronics, what we're capable of, and to do that, I'd like to hand it over to Aldo Vasquez. He is our global product manager.
In this specific sense, market intelligence for IBS is a referring to a process or a report, an idea that analyzes what is basically the current supply chain, as well as product analysis, validates them, and provides a report to it to give context of what's currently happened in the market.
So we're excited to dig into the reporting today, and over the next few slides, we're going to look at the different areas that this intelligence provides great value to our customers and supply chains. So
It in this specific sense, couple of things to be mindful in terms of what is market intelligence to IBS is we do offer a couple of keywords to be referred to just as a point as a basis as a baseline pretty much. But the two important factors here from this two, one would be validation. Validation is key for us since we try to bring source of truth basically to the report, as well as the IBS risk score, since it's part of our proprietary information.
So here's some of the terms that we're really going to dig into throughout the course of overview of this report. So our bespoke reporting, this is really our proprietary AI-enhanced product information market intelligence databases. Essentially, this is the back end that powers our capabilities. So we like to think of this as the left and right side of the brain. So at IBS Electronics, the left side of our brain houses all the market information, and the right side houses all the product information. These two separate databases enable us to gain access to all the information relevant to our manufacturers. And throughout the start of this, we started with 1,900 manufacturers, and through the power of AI, we've accelerated this to actually 6,000 manufacturers. And this is what we're ready to release to everyone today. On the right side, this houses all of the product information, such as our product specs, data sheets, information related to the life cycle, but also it records this information and stores it in our product information management system. The left side of the brain houses all the IBS market insights, where we're actively querying real time to understand from manufacturers as well as global distributors, whether it's authorized or independent, to understand what are the current market conditions related to stock levels, lead times, and other factors that are contributing to supply chain. Collectively, we're able to output a customized report specific to our customers' unique objectives that's designed for engineers, by engineers, and for procurement teams as well. So these customized reports offer tailored data and market intelligence reporting with solutions for every role. Whether you're an engineer, whether you're in purchasing or supply chain management, we can pinpoint the unique objectives that you have to help you reach your KPIs or gain visibility into the market ahead. Some of these include supply chain levels, risk evaluations, cost, lead times, life cycle status, or simply finding alternatives. Being able to rapidly evaluate hundreds or thousands of specifications from alternative components to then narrow it down to those few qualified alternatives enable our engineers, for example, to be able to quickly assess maybe 40 different components that might meet that equivalent drop-in replacement function, or a few handful compared to the thousands that they'd have to start searching for example, if they're looking for an alternative resistor.
So in this specific slide, as an example, we are already going into what is the report. What would you see in this specific uh, deliverable that we IBS would be offering? Right now on the slide that we're showing is basically the market conditions as overview. You would have the commodity manufacturer, the organization spent, as well as the average market price and average lead time of that specific brand within that category.
Ultimately, we're really opening up visibility into market conditions for various categories, manufacturers that are related to the unique organization spend that our customers intend to place, whether it's estimated annual usage or whatever window they're looking to analyze.
On this slide, we have organizational insights where we try to focus on what exactly is happening within the organization. That's why in this specific slide we offer the visibility within the if you provide the end customer, the assembly name that you're using, as well as the item number, we can highlight those specific values where you will find the commodities, the organization spent of that commodity within your organization, as well as the IBS risk score.
Gaining this valuable insight, especially for EMS or contract manufacturers, enables them to provide great value to their organization, as well as extending that value to their end customer organization.
For lead time risk assessment, in this specific slide, what we try to highlight is which of the parts would have a risk score that basically is telling us that is high risk and you should focus on them in terms based on the market conditions.
Being able to understand which high-risk part numbers are within your bill of materials or within your planned supply chain can really help you to stay ahead of potential disruptions or identify problems before they even occur.
Now, similar to the high risk uh, score for lead time, this one is the low risk because we try to focus that we try to communicate that these parts are not really uh, high risk parts. Therefore, you the focus on them from the active teams, regardless of what they are, uh, the time spent in them should be minimal.
So this allows us to tackle, the lower hanging fruit and allow those that won't potentially have any disruptions to continue with their planned supply chains.
And now, because we have the previous information, which is the low risk score, this also offers the potential opportunity for a PPV because if there is uh, the risk score is low enough, we can more than likely there is stock available in the market. And based using market conditions of supply and demand, we can probably find better pricing or situational opportunities for the organization.
So that really means that the benefit for our customers or anyone really is that using this information allows them to leverage their buying power, understanding that there is a saturated supply. Those that might be in stable conditions, now they can potentially receive cost reductions, right?
Yes.
Okay, great.
Now, with all the information that we gather, we also gather the country of origin, which we try to communicate in a map style, as well as where typically the product is coming from. So this is why we highlight the specific countries.
So for some of our customers that are looking to reallocate their country of origins, maybe they're looking to transition to manufacturers that are not originating from China, or they're simply looking to, get a report to gain instant visualization of their data to show them where their components are being sourced from or where these products are coming from. So what's really cool about this is, nearly instantly we collect real-time information and maps your products and shows you where visibly your products are coming from within the global market.
Now, one important factor for all the teams that I have worked with is life cycle. Within IBS, in this specific slide, we try to highlight the life cycle status of the obsolete components, as well as provide a popular alternate brands to this uh, commodities.
And understanding the life cycle status is really helping our engineering teams, whether you're a component engineer that's understanding life cycle status and bringing value to your organizations to mitigate obsolescence disruptions. We can also assist with, alternative part matching. So being able to bring that value of quickly identifying alternatives, now enhancing our product information management system with AI capabilities and this learning capability to be able to understand which specs meet their requirements will quickly enable us to find these alternatives. And one of the best benefits of working with IBS intelligence is it's not one, it's not cited specifically only for our authorized lines. We collect information and provide information for every manufacturer that we have information on, which is more than 6,000 manufacturers now. So it enables us to give you information for lines we can supply and lines we cannot supply to give value to our customers is our ultimate goal.
And from having the life cycle status as well as potential alternate brands, we do have our franchise lines, which we offer as well as an alternative solution to some of the tier one brands, as well as we can see the potential savings they can offer.
In many cases, we don't want to suggest or recommend that, our customers go through a redesign or that they swap out part numbers right when they're ready to go into production. But through identifying life cycle status, through identifying the needs of their supply chain, we're able to create a data-driven distribution model that enables us to support our customers to understand data to drive their supply chains to be more stable and reduce the complexity. So ultimately, those that do have potential disruptions, we can propose alternatives. And in many cases, these alternatives come with cost savings. As you can see on the right column, these are some of the proposed cost savings through crossing over from the original manufacturer that have a high risk level to an alternative available from IBS Electronics. So it's really easy to get started. Simply visit our website, ibselectronics.com, explore our market intelligence page, and upload a bill of materials or item list. From here, you can select the specific information that you're looking to focus on. This helps us to tailor the report to each of our customers' unique needs, such as, are you looking to identify alternatives for this part number list? Global stock levels, what the lead times are, life cycle status. Are you looking for long-term cost reductions through PPV assessments or a risk assessment to understand the market conditions? So next, we would like to open it up for questions. If anyone has a question, please type it into the Q&A chat. This webinar recording will be available to all the attendees. It will be sent to your inbox, as well as a link for you to try our bill of material tool, as well as upload your bill of material or item list to be able to receive a quote along with market intelligence data. Thank you everyone for joining. We hope you have a lovely day. Thank you from all of us at IBS Electronics.